Breaking vendor lock-in. How KLARF View Hub is redefining semiconductor defect classification. For years, semiconductor fabs have been bound by the legacy capabilities of closed ecosystem metrology software. When relying entirely on major equipment manufacturers like Applied Materials and KLA for automatic defect classification, ADC, fabs often face rigid dependencies, exorbitant licensing costs, and detection limits dictated by the OEM's development cycle rather than the fab's actual needs. It is time to break free from these dependencies. We are thrilled to introduce KLARF View Hub, a fundamentally different approach to semiconductor defect classification. Built as an open configuration, hardware-agnostic platform, KLARF View Hub allows you to decouple your software capabilities from your hardware vendors, upgrading your detection to levels not provided by legacy systems. Here is how KLARF View Hub delivers unprecedented flexibility and cost efficiency to the fab floor. Universal equipment compatibility. You no longer need to buy proprietary software for every different brand of inspection tool on your floor. KLARF View Hub is designed to be completely agnostic. By utilizing a flexible configuration architecture, the software dynamically hunts down and maps associated inspection images across varying semiconductor tool directory structures. Whether the data comes from a legacy inspection tool or a brand new machine, if it outputs a KLARF and an image, our software can read, visualize, and classify it. Next-generation AI detection on your terms. Major equipment manufacturers often gatekeep their most advanced algorithms behind massive capital expenditures or forced hardware upgrades. KLARF View Hub brings state-of-the-art MLOps directly to your existing fleet. Custom defect signatures train the system to recognize exactly what matters to your yield, from micro-scratches to complex ring patterns. Advanced neural networks. Our two-phase transfer learning architecture fine-tunes base layers and alters edge detectors to push classification accuracy past 92%, handling even highly imbalanced datasets natively. Lightning-fast inference. Preloaded AI models process images on the fly, injecting classification badges into the UI in under 20 milliseconds. Drastic cost reductions. The financial advantage of an open configuration system is massive. By breaking the dependency on OEMs for ADC software, fabs can extend tool lifespans, give legacy inspection equipment a modern AI brain without buying a multi-million-dollar replacement tool. Eliminate vendor monopolies. Avoid the premium pricing associated with closed-loop OEM software ecosystems. Consolidate software training. Train your engineers on one unified visualizer and ADC platform, rather than 5 different proprietary UIs. The future is open configuration. Semiconductor manufacturing moves too fast to wait for a vendor's roadmap. With KLARF View Hub's fully automated batch inference, run KLARF mode, and real-time UI telemetry, fabs finally have the power to define, train, and execute their own metrology destiny. Stop letting legacy software dictate your yield learning. Upgrade your detection, reduce your software spend, and unify your inspection floor with KLARF View Hub.